ABC is an isosceles triangle. What does isosceles mean? It means it's a triangle which has two sides that are the same length, and this dash shows which two lengths it is. So it's this length here and this length here. These two lengths are the same lengths, and just out of coincidence as well, just out of interest, sorry, this angle here is going to be exactly the same as this angle here. Okay, so it tells us A to B is equal to B to C. So A to B is equal to B to C. But from now on, you know that a dash like that means those two sides are the same length. And this told us that A to C is 5 centimeters. So this length is 5. So 5, 8, and 8. And this is an isosceles triangle. It's saying now calculate the height of the triangle H. So we want to work out this red dotted line, which is the height. Now I can see that this is perpendicular because I've got the right angle sign. I've got one side which is 8 of the right angle triangle. The longest side, the hypotenuse, is 8, and because all of this was 5 centimeters, I know from here the halfway line from here to here will be 2.5. So to work at the height, we'll do this squared as usual, 8 squared, then the 2.5 squared, and then the h squared, and so be equal. And remember, this was the longer side, the hypotenuse, so h must be the shorter sides. So shorter sides subtract, so we're going to take away. So 8 squared is 64, take away 2.5 squared is 6.25, is equal to h squared. So 64 minus 6.25 is 57.75. I've had to do a bit of rounding there. Is equal to h square. We'll have to do a bit of rounding, sorry. So this we're not interested in the h square, we just want what h is. So we have to square root 57.75. So that means h will be 7.599 to 3 decimal places. The question didn't say how much I should round by, but I've just done it to 3 decimal places. So h is equal to 7.599 centimeters.